Hi everyone, my name is Surya and I'm working as a senior Salesforce admin. So I have built a Chrome extension called Salesforce Sentinel. I will share the link of the Chrome extension in the description as well. So basically what does this extension does is it will help us to instantly pull the audit logs whatever we required. Let's say you can pull the audit logs based upon the day or time range, day range. Plus, you can also pull the logs based upon the record count or the number of logs. So basically, why we have created this, why I have built this Chrome extension is as a Salesforce admin or the people who works in the Salesforce ecosystem knows the pain of downloading the audit logs every time. So let's say if something goes wrong and if you want to investigate something, so we need to check the audit logs always, right? So basically how we do it, we need to click on setup and then we need to navigate to audit trail logs. We need to navigate to search bar, search for audit logs, then we need to download the log like this. Maybe this is setup, this is home, and you can search for something called audit and then you need to click on view setup audit trail. And if you see here, you can see the logs and it will show you only the last 20 entries. But if we want the 21st log, we need to download the last 6 months log. Like we click on download, you'll get a CSV file and you need to open the file in Microsoft Excel or you need to import it to the Google Sheets. Then you need to analyze the logs, right? So this is very time consuming as far as I know. Along with that, this is also memory consuming. For example, since this is a trailhead arc, we were able to see very minimal logs. But in real time in production, I have seen a scenario where if I want to read the 30th or 40th log or maybe last 2 days logs, I need to download more than 75 MB of the file. But yeah, I have seen those scenarios as well. But now in this case, we can take help of our Chrome extension. So I'm going to add the Chrome extension so that you will understand what and how this is going to help us. So I have downloaded this and I'm gonna add it, Salesforce Sentinel. And then what we can do here is, let's say these are our orgs. So what I have done was I had 3 orgs. I just renamed it like production org, QA org, dev SP org, and then you see we have everything. Now I have created custom fields in 3 different orgs just to show you the logs. So let me click on here. So if you see, it is showing us, it scanned all the orgs. Let us click on it. So we have the orgs here. You can remove the unnecessary duplicates. Okay. Uh, okay. So you can rename it like maybe prod or maybe okay. When I try to rename it, it just pulled the logs. So let us do it again one more time. Yeah, we have renamed it as prod. We can let's do it one more time. SC and QA. So we can also add the ORs manually. And if you want to avoid any org that we don't want to pull the logs, you can always block it in this way. So it will be blocked and you can unblock it so that it will reappear it here again when you click on this one. Now, keeping that aside, if I want to pull the prod logs, full copy logs or QA logs, I just need to click on one of the tab. And from here, if you see, we were able to pull 1 week logs. We can change it to 3 days logs or 2 day logs as well, or maybe 6 months logs. You see, it is very simple. Or maybe you can count. I mean, you can pull the latest 100 logs, 1K logs, or 10K logs. So let's say this is full copy log. Let's say if I want to pull the logs of prod, you can click on here and you can click on prod. Then the same thing goes 15 days, 1 month, 3 months, and just click on. You can also set up manual date range as well, and just click on latest. Okay. You can also click on here and you can click on pull logs, whatever is fine. And in the same way, if I want to get the QA logs, so I can do the same, right? So this is something, if you have 100 of orgs, you can see the logs of 100 orgs within one go with our Chrome extension. So this data will be stored in cache. Until that time, you don't need to. I mean, you don't need to hit the API always to pull the logs until and unless it is required. You can always refresh it so that you can get the live log, and also you can also export this log. For example, I want the logs of today. You see, I can able to get the two logs. I have created the field called org2 and I have added it to the this page layer. So when you click on export, it will only export like 372 bytes of data. So let me show that as well. Import, upload. So if you want to share the logs with someone, right, you can get these logs. But more than that, you can search anything here, or let's say you can identify or sort based upon actions or sections and users. And if you want to hide a field like delegate, you can remove it always. And you can also modify them based on the date or action, user, details, and everything. Whatnot. You can do n number of things with this Chrome extension, guys. Um, that's it for this video. I hope you will like this Chrome extension. I recommend you use this and do let me know your feedback. Thank you and have a great day.